Hi everyone, welcome back to English Today. I am Neha Gupta and in today's video we are going to talk about a verb get. There are many ways of using this verb, but I am going to tell you the most common ways of using this verb get. But before we start, I would request you to please hit the like button as I have worked very hard in summarizing these uses for you. Your each like counts. Please support me by liking and sharing the video. Number 1. Get means to understand something. We can use the verb get when we want to say this verb understand. As I didn't get it means I didn't understand it. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. If you want to say this line, we can use the verb get instead of using this verb understand. I didn't get it. Are you getting me? क्या आप समझ रहे हैं? You got me wrong. तुमने मुझे गलत समझ लिया. So whenever we want to use the verb understand, we can replace it with the verb get. Second one, to receive. Okay, we can use get in the place of the verb receive. I got a new bike on my birthday. It means I received a new bike on my birthday. Have you got my mail? Means have you received my mail? I got your books yesterday. I received your book yesterday. Books yesterday. And get means to bring, means lana. Whenever we want to use the verb bring, we can replace it with the verb get. Get a glass of water. Second one is please get the kids from school. Please बच्चों को स्कूल से ले आओ. Next usage is get means to buy something. जब हम कोई चीज़ खरीदने के लिए यूज़ भी हम get का ही ले सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, we got a new TV yesterday. We got a new TV yesterday. It doesn't mean we are using in the verb कि हमें नया टीवी मिला है. We got a, हम कई बार हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि कल हम नया टीवी लाए हैं, right? So whenever we want to say लाए हैं, it means we are purchasing it. We are anyhow buying it. Okay? So we can use in place of buy the verb get. We got a new TV yesterday. I am going to get some bread from the supermarket. I am going to buy some bread from the supermarket. So whenever we want to use the verb buy, we can replace it with the verb get. Next, we can use verb get when we want to say dilana, to buy for someone else. Okay, हम कहते हैं ना कि मुझे एक नई ड्रेस दिला दो. Then we can say please get me a new dress. Okay. So next verb we can use get when we want to say to arrive at a place. Okay, किसी जगह पर पहुंचने के लिए भी हम get का यूज ले सकते हैं. See the examples. How are you getting home tonight? आज आप शाम को घर कैसे जा रहे हैं, कैसे पहुंच रहे हैं. ओके, We got to the airport at 10 o'clock. हम एयरपोर्ट पे 10 बजे पहुंचे. ओके, Get means to become, means होना. To show a change of state. एक अवस्था से दूसरी अवस्था में पहुंचने को अगर हम शो करना चाहते हैं तो भी हम get का यूज ले सकते हैं. See the examples. They are getting married. Okay, I got angry. It's getting dark now. So we are saying कि it's getting dark now. अभी अंधेरा हो रहा है. So होना is also we are using in this, and we are also saying a change of state कि अभी रोशनी से अंधेरा हो रहा है. So whenever we want to show a change of state or whenever we want to show something like to become होना, then we can use the verb get. I'm getting old. Okay, again I'm showing a change of state. So these are the ways of using get. These are the most common ways of using get. Obviously there are some other ways also, but now I am going to tell you some expressions with this verb get. Number 1, I will get the bill. It means I will pay the bill. Okay, whenever we want to say this, I will get the bill tonight, it means I will pay the bill tonight. That really gets me. That really gets me. It means that really irritates me. So whenever we want to say like something is irritating you, you can say it is getting me now. Okay. Next usage is I am getting the dinner tonight. So I am getting dinner tonight. It means I am preparing dinner tonight. Okay. You can relax. It's my turn to get the dinner tonight. And we obviously use this verb get in. We all know get out. So in these ways you can use get. There are many more ways of using this verb as I told you, but these are the most common ways of using this verb get. I hope you liked the video, and if you do so, please don't forget to hit the like button and support me by sharing it with your friends. Thank you once again for watching it.